The Pot of Beans. A poem. It's sitting there, on the stove, in a little heated cove, filled with beans, still quite firm. They need to soak for their full term. Once the clock has passed 8 hours, the beans release their expanding powers. They grow big, and they get fat, ready to cook. How about that? Change the water. Add salt, a dash. Now stir gently. Don't whip or mash. Let them cook on very low heat. Towards the end, you can add meat. As the water starts to simmer, you'll see the water growing dimmer. What was once such water clear is now becoming broth so dear. Add some garlic, pepper too, maybe a bouillon cube. Soon enough these beans will be in your gastrointestinal tube. Get a bowl and fill it up, if your belly has room. Now it's time to enjoy this fine and tasty legume. If later on you feel taut, as if you're swelling up a lot, don't you worry, it will pass. It's only the inevitable gas. Burrtown Comics.